Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 4.7.10 and we will troubleshoot DNS records. So you are the administrator for CompNet.local domain. The CompDC and CompDC3 servers are the DNS servers for the domain. You're responsible for CompDC, which resides in building A. Users report that they are unable to contact the COP web server. So in this lab, your task is to ping the COP web server using its full name of COP web.copnet.local. What happens? Pick the COP web server using its IP address 192.168.0.15. What happens? Create any DNS record needed to fix the problem. Hostname is going to be COP web. IP address is going to be 192.168.0.15 and use the ping command to verify that the problem is fixed. So let's start up right away. We open server manager and we want to let's close this. We want to open COP server 3 and we want to open COP DC and let's move this to the side. And we want to search for answer for PowerShell. So when this PowerShell is open, I'll open it up. And we want to type in ping let's ping COP web copweb.copnet.local and see what happens. Then we'll press enter and here want to ping one 192.168.0.15. Okay, so this is successful. We'll go ahead and minimize this. And another server manager. Let's click this and we want to locate DNS. And go to for lookup, new zone. So let's click CompTIA.local and we want to select new host. On the new host, we want to impute it's going to be CompWeb. And the IP address is going to be 192.168.0.1.15. I will go ahead and create associated pointer. So go ahead and add hosts. So go ahead and we click OK. And go ahead and click Done. Let's minimize this. And we open our Windows PowerShell. And go ahead and ping let's ping this and see what happens. So type in SLWT. And let's check how we do. Everything seems correct. If you find this video to be helpful, don't forget to consider joining my professional membership so that you have access to other videos that labs that are not available here. If there's any lab you want me to do for you, you can just hit me up in the comment section with it, and I guarantee you that I'm going to do it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.